I've been drinking all this lean, I know I need to stop. Hopping out of stolen cars and we shoot chops and ops.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the SONY ZV-1. Now, I already unboxed it for you. I just came to do a little intro before jumping right into it because I know you guys don't want to hear me talk. Just see the camera and what it came with. I ordered mine from Amazon, and I think I just searched in SONY ZV-1 with accessories, and it came out to $999. It says $899 on the thing, but with taxes and everything, it came up to $999, and I think and something cents, so $1,000. But it came with a lot of stuff. Now, I did my research before buying this camera, so with the reviews, there was a lot of reviews that were saying that they didn't get all the stuff they needed, like all the stuff that it says in the picture. So I was kind of skeptical into like if it's gonna all come in or not, but hopefully everything came in, so I'm happy with my order. I think what happened was it was in early 2020 when COVID hit, and they were probably like short supplies, so they couldn't get supplies in before they could ship it out. But now everything is fine because I looked at the different dates in the review, and it was early, like late 2019 and early 2020 where they had like those bad reviews. But after, I think, getting past August 2020 and like early 2021, all the comments were positive. So I just went with my gut and I got everything. So if you want to see all that it came with, keep watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, bye. that is it for the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Bye.